get flaxseed gel, make sure that your seeds are whole seeds, not the meal. You would need a strainer, and you would need a pot that you really don't care about, and some oil. I like to use my Righteous Roots oil, but you can use whatever oil of your choice. A container with a lid. Make sure it's not plastic. You will see why. And you need 2 measuring cups for your seeds and your water. So I start off my heat on medium. You do not want to overcook them, and you definitely don't want to undercook them. So medium is just the right temperature. So I add a few of my drops of oil. I probably went overboard, but you can do like 4 to 8. But I just like the oil so much, I just kept putting more drops in. So the fun part, we start off with 1/4 of a cup of flax seeds. Add a few more drops of the flax seeds when I stick to the bottom. And you will know when the flax seeds are done when you have that white film on top. That's when you know that it's done. Yeah, when it gets like this is when you know that it's done. I like it to where the texture is not too thick, but a little bit runny, just so it can penetrate through my strainer. And you can also reuse the flax seeds. I've never tried that, but some people reboil their flax seeds and make more gel, which is pretty dope. So I like to pour a little bit at a time, just so, like I said, the flax seeds clog up the strainer. So I'll pour a little bit at a time so everything can just go straight through. And as you can see, my container is melting because it's plastic. Use a glass jar so it won't melt through. Thank you guys for watching.